Hey there, welcome to our video on the surprising benefits of taking cold showers. You may have heard of cold showers as a popular wellness trend, but did you know that there are actual scientific benefits to taking the plunge into cold water? In this video, we're going to explore the many ways in which cold showers can improve your health and well-being. From boosting your immunity to increasing your mental clarity, we'll take a deep dive into the science behind why cold showers are so beneficial. So, if you're ready to learn about the power of cold water and how it can transform your health, let's get started. Number 1. It boosts immunity. The first benefit of taking cold showers is that it can boost your immune system. When you take a cold shower, your body reacts by increasing the production of white blood cells. These cells are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases in the body. So, if you want to strengthen your immune system, taking a cold shower can be a great way to do so. Number 2. It improves circulation. The second benefit of taking cold showers is that it can improve your circulation. When you take a cold shower, your blood vessels constrict, which helps to push blood towards your vital organs. This can help to improve your overall blood flow and increase the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your cells. Improved circulation can also help to reduce inflammation and pain in the body. Number 3. It boosts energy. The third benefit of taking cold showers is that it can boost your energy levels. When you take a cold shower, your body releases adrenaline and noradrenaline, which are hormones that can help to increase your energy levels. This can be especially helpful in the morning when you need an extra boost to start your day. Number 4. It improves skin and hair health. The fourth benefit of taking cold showers is that it can improve your skin and hair health. Cold water can help to tighten your pores and prevent dirt and oil buildup, which can lead to clearer skin. It can also help to improve the texture and shine of your hair. Additionally, cold water can help to reduce puffiness and dark circles around your eyes. Number 5. It reduces stress and anxiety. The fifth benefit of taking cold showers is that it can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Cold water has a calming effect on the body and can help to reduce the production of stress hormones like cortisol. It can also help to increase the production of endorphins, which are feel-good hormones that can help to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Taking a cold shower can be a great way to reset your mind and start your day with a clear head. Number 6. It promotes weight loss. The sixth benefit of taking cold showers is that it can promote weight loss. When your body is exposed to cold temperatures, it has to work harder to maintain its core temperature. This can increase your metabolic rate, which can help you burn more calories and promote weight loss over time. In addition, cold showers can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can also contribute to weight loss. Number 7. It improves athletic performance. The seventh benefit of taking cold showers is that it can improve your athletic performance. Cold water can help to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after a workout, allowing you to recover faster and perform better in your next workout. It can also help to increase your endurance and improve your overall physical performance. Number 8. It boosts mental clarity and focus. The eighth benefit of taking cold showers is that it can help to boost your mental clarity and focus. When you take a cold shower, the shock of cold water can stimulate your nervous system and increase your alertness. This can help you to feel more awake and focused throughout the day. Additionally, cold showers can help to improve your mood and increase your overall sense of well-being. That's all for today's video on the surprising benefits of taking cold showers. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more content like this. And if you know someone who could benefit from learning about the benefits of cold showers, please share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.